Welcome back. We're here at Consensus Hong Kong 2026, and I am joined by Edwin Wong of KuCoin. Now, Edwin is head of risk control at KuCoin, and KuCoin is currently going through a multi-billion-dollar shift to become the industry's most trusted quadruple crown certified platform for global traders.
Yep.
So, Edwin, I was reading, KuCoin recently moved from being the exchange for everyone to the partner you can trust. So, why was 2025 the right time to have that shift in your brand identity?
For me, because the industry is mature, it's much mature before, and we are stepping into the ninth year of KuCoin. So in this early phase of crypto, so access was the main issue because the usability was quite low during that time. And now I think the users on that time mostly wanted listing, speed, and opportunity. But today access is no longer an issue, so trust is. So after Monty market circles, users are no longer asking like, what can I trade, what can I earn? So now they are seeking for what can I rely on, who I'm gonna rely on. So that shift wasn't cosmetic. So it reflects what users were already prioritizing, and we decided to shift from people for exchange for everyone to trust. So now the trust is the fundamental issue of the whole industry, and also for us KuCoin as well. Yeah.
Got it. And so you launched the $2 billion trust project. That was a huge investment in safety, transparency, accountability.
Yep.
But, for your everyday regular trader,
Yep.
what's tangible about that? Like, what would they actually feel that's different when they're using the platform?
So basically, the trust is only matter if it's measurable. So for trader, it shows three ways. So firstly, system stability. So the traders can trade freely without limit. So for example, recently there's some accident occurs in the industry. But I believe KuCoin, we can create a stable system for user to trade. And secondly, the proof of reserve is very important. So we have conducted consecutive 36 months of proof reserve, and that strongly prove that we are trustworthy. We have all the users' access in our reserve. So, and thirdly, the $2 billion dollar trust project wasn't just symbolic. So it is an infrastructure, custodial architecture, monitoring system, and compliance expansion for us. So users may not see what is behind the scene, but when they really trade and when they are really using our platform, they will feel it. So KuCoin will always stay on.
And so you got the quadruple crown security certifications, and as I understand it, KuCoin is the only exchange that has that. But if no one else has it, why go that far?
So basically, because each certification tests different area or different layer. So basically, it's about internal control, data security, operation resilience, and as a risk management in our area. So I've learned that the risk doesn't disappear because they comply with those minimum standards. We build resilience by staking safeguards. So security is cumulative. So we choose to complete the full framework rather than stopping halfway.
Love it. That's a huge commitment.
Yeah.
And you just got your MiCA license through Austria. So what does that change about your operations in Europe?
So basically, it replaced fragmentation with clarity. So before MiCA, Europe was a picture of interpretation. So now there is a unified framework, regulatory framework across 30 countries, more than 30 countries, that allows us to operate with legal certainty. And capital, for example, capital requirements like governance standards, reporting obligations, etc. So it slows us initially, but it gives us a predictable future. And this predictable future is what enables sustainable growth. Yep.
All right, so shifting gears a bit, last October we saw a massive market crash.
Yes.
But KuCoin's liquidity actually remains stable. So what protected the order book?
So basically, after the crash, I think we are one of the first exchange to approach to different market makers, and we do a lot of stress testing in our order books, and we also for risk management. So we also adjust the for example, say risk limit in the purse, and we also adjust the maximum order position in different contracts, so that it allows like different market makers and retail users to trade freely in our market even after the crash. So and also conservative like risk exposure threshold, we adjust a lot. So when the volatility hits, our system will reacting like emotionally. They were executing predefined safeguards. So that discipline is a result of long-term infrastructure thinking. So before that, we already like think of this crash will happen, and we prepare a lot for that. And so after the crash, so we can initiate like very quickly.
Mm-hmm. We absolutely need that kind of stability if we're going to get the ES3 to a point of maturity.
Yeah.
So I saw your CEO, BC Wong, he said that exchanges will evolve into hybrid infrastructures where you see this merging of on-chain transparency, but with the efficiency of a centralized exchange. Is that KuCoin 4.0?
Yes, that's the direction. So basically, users want transparency, and also they want high speed and usability. So pure decentralized like something is sometimes will sacrifice user experience, because to use decentralized exchange, you need to register like your own wallet, and you need to check your trading records from decentralized exchange. So basically on chain. So that very troubles for users sometimes, especially for beginners. But pure centralized exchange sacrifices transparency. So there's a gap there. So basically why our CEO say the hybrid is the future is basically we combine the transparency of the DEX perps with the usability of centralized chains, so that we can also, like mentioning the proof of reserve. So so that combination of the transparency of DEX and usability of SEX will be the future of all exchanges, I think.
Unfortunately, that's all we have time for, but I just want to say congratulations on everything that you've been doing. That commitment to trust and security and transparency is really commendable. So thanks for sharing a little bit more about it today.
Thank you for the time.